Letter number 21. To Ziyad ibn Abi, the deputy governor of Abdullah ibn Abbas, in Basra. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Give up lavishness and be moderate. Every day remember the coming day. Hold back from the funds what you need and send forward the balance for the day of your need. Do you expect that Allah may give you the reward of the humble while you yourself remain vain in His view? And do you covet that He may give you the reward of those practicing charity while you enjoy comforts and deny them to the weak and the widows? Certainly, a man is awarded according as he acts and meets what he has sent forward, and that is an end to the matter.